Hello there, welcome back to your favorite channel. And in this quick video, I've got some new update for you concerning Nodepay airdrop. Now, remember that the Nodepay airdrop has happened, and the listing has also happened. The NC token listing has happened also. That's the Nodecoin. It has happened already. It's been listed on Bitget and other tier one exchanges. And currently, the Nodepay, if we want to check, let me even check if we can get it here. That is the trading view. Let me quickly check here and see whether it's coming here. NCUSDC, that is it. It's there. So let's see how much it's going for right now. It's on KuCoin, it's on OKX. Okay, so now you can see it was listed a couple of days ago, and currently it's trading around 0.1255. Here is it. Okay, so just beware of the price. Okay, not the price rather. Okay, so let's quickly get back here now. So you want to know how to claim your airdrop, and you have some couple of days to claim that. At least it's over a month in any case. So first I check my airdrop. My airdrop is not much. It's about 72 NC coins. This is it. This is my airdrop, 72.6 NC coin. So N coin, not pay coin or not coin. All right. So, and to withdraw it, to claim it into your wallet, remember it's going into your Web3 wallet, the wallet that you attached. Like now, if you get here under the earnings section, you see that we added we connected the wallet. And the Web3 wallet I connected when I made a video to show you this was my Bitget Web3 wallet. Okay, so and to withdraw that, we need to head on to claim.nodefoundation.ai. Claim.nodefoundation.ai. I opened it already, so you just check the domain, claim.nodefoundation.ai. So here is it. So once you get there, you can see it's showing connect, but make sure you are connected to your account already. Make sure you have logged in. All right. And once you are logged in here, you just come to the next, open the next tab and enter claim.nodefoundation.ai. So you have two buttons here, the connect wallet up here or connect wallet down here to claim your NC token. So connect your wallet to view eligibility and claim NC token. So the wallet you connect, if it does not match the one you added already, you will not be eligible. So you have to add the same wallet. And remember, you can't change the wallet again. In that video, I showed you demonstrated that you can't change your wallet again because that's what they said. So here we have about 39 days and 2 hours to make this claim. As at the time of recording this video, it's been almost 5 days or so since the launch. Check again. It was listed on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days ago. Okay. All right. So let's go ahead and click. So I click on connect, so you can see the wallets have been detected. Now, if you can't find the wallet that you connected, remember you're going to use your laptop or your computer to get this done. So you do it on a web browser on your computer. So if you can't find the wallet that you connected in this list, you can check more options here. All right, and then you can check in wallet connect if you can find it there. If you can't find it there, then make sure you go back and make sure you have install the wallet here. That's the the what they call it, the plugin, right? So make sure you have installed it here. Okay, you have installed it here. So like this is Bitget here now. I tried logging before, I couldn't find it here. I could try connecting before, I couldn't find it here. So I had to log into my Bitget wallet. So you have to log in. So if you don't find it here, you just install this add-on and then connect. Okay, so once you've done that now, so I'm going to select my Bitget because this is the one I connected for Nodepay. So I tap on this. So it's going to request for me to log in. If it's not, because I'm logged in already, so you just open to show me to connect. Okay, so I enter my password. All right, so I unlock the wallet. Okay, so Bitget wallet connection request. All right, so from claim.nodefoundation.ai, upon authorization, you will grant the following permissions: querying of your information on the Solana network, requesting transaction authorization. Now, make sure you also have some fund. Of course, before you even connected it, there was some fund you must add to the wallet. So don't take it Solana, right? At least 0.02. So you're going to use that to make a payment for this drop. So as gas fee. So I connect. All right. So let's check. Okay, you can see here now. You see that it's shown here. So let's check to see whether it's eligible. You can see he has brought it out. So see the eligibility here. Total amount of airdrop is 72.6 NC. You saw it there in my account. So zero claimed, 72.6 unlocked, locked none. So all of them have been unlocked for claim. So what do I do next? Okay, so the last unlock was 17th. Okay, now show all unlocks. There's nothing for that. Claim on chain at TGE to Solana address. Claim off chain to CX. Zero gas fee. So of course, and so the question now is if I want to claim it a to an exchange, I could decide to do that. But then let's see first. Let's agree to this. Okay. All right. Now, you do not have any native tokens to execute a transaction. You need to have at least 0.02 SOL in your wallet to claim tokens. Note network alert. Due to high congestion, Solana network fees are temporarily elevated. To complete your claim, please ensure you have at least 0.02 to 0.05 SOL for network fees. So what I will do now, if I want to claim to on-chain, I'm not sure the off-chain claim is still available. Let's see. Because off-chain claim I saw here is to OKX, and I don't have OKX. You know that OKX is not available to most people in most regions, especially Nigeria and some parts of Africa. So this is pre-launch claim live. Submit your OKX details to prepare for NC drop, airdrop rather. So I will go back here. So what I want to check here, let me even check here to see whether the off-chain claim window is closed. You can claim your tokens by executing a chain transaction on chain. So that one is closed already. So I didn't attempt that time. So what I just do now is to go ahead and agree to this. Okay. Okay. Then I will. So right now the okay. Let's see. Okay. So we'll go for this, but then it's not allowed. Allow me. So you do not have any native tokens to execute a transaction. So what I'm going to do here, let me get back to my wallet. I know I do. I have Solana there. I have 0.02 Solana. Let me open the wallet. This is my Solana. I have Solana here, 0.02, which is 5 points. You can see it's down 5.125. So what I could do at this point, I might have to repeat this video. Why? Because the demand for Solana is pretty high, like you saw there. So that means I might have to increase this to 0.05. That means adding additional 0.03 so to it. And though that's not too good in any case, but then what do I do? What can I do now? At this point, I will have to wait. So I have to wait, and I may have to repeat this video so that by then be I'll be adding the additional 0.03 so that I can get that. If you check that, you can see Solana network fees are temporarily elevated. To complete your claim, please ensure you have at least 0.02 to 0.05 so for network fees. But then, so another thing I could do here, where's the wallet? The other token I have there is Ton, but it's not up to one. Okay, so I may not use it because to swap it already you need some fees. So I'm going to let it be. Perhaps as I receive another, I'll send some Soul token there and use that for this transaction. Okay, so far so good. You can see where I was stopped. So you ensure that you have up to 0.05 Soul in your Web3 wallet, the one that you've connected to your Nodepay account earlier, so you can claim this. And we still have up to 39 days from right now to claim this. So I'm going to do that, and perhaps when I'm doing that, I'll finally show you so that you see. All right, so I have gone ahead to top up my wallet. I just moved, I have three wallets. I have the Phantom wallet, I have the Brave wallet, and I have the Bitget Web3 wallet. So I moved funds from here. If you check some of my earlier video, maybe Zen coin or something, I show you how I moved from here, all right, to my other wallet to when I converted to USDC. All right, so but now I've moved 0.03. You can see minus 0.03, so which is around 7.69679 dollars. I've moved it also. Now I've sent it to the Bitget wallet. So let me just show you here the Bitget web wallet, Web3 wallet, and you can see now it's now 0.05. So now what the thing I want to quickly state here, because it's very, very important to know this. This is, I received it almost instantly. This is 0.03, so make it 0.05 now. So this is 12.8485. All right. Now let me pull out the calculator quickly. Now with the calculator here, now this is 72.6, 72.6. I'm not even talking about withdrawing it, because I need to still have some gas fees to send it out from my Web3 wallet to exchange it or even to swap it. So you see that it's a real big issue right now, meaning it's really costly, except if the price rises. So let's look at the price of NC token again. So you see that the NC token is currently 1.0.12599. 0.12599. This is it here. Okay, so and what this implies is that if we multiply this by 0.12599, that's about 9.14. So the question is, currently, considering the current price of NC token, is it worth it? Is it profitable for me to use, if they collect the entire 0.05 so that I have in the wallet now? Is it worth it to use about $12 to claim $9 as the price is right now? I'm not sure it is, but what I'm still going to do is to just demonstrate to you how you can. If yours is more than mine, all right, probably you have to go ahead, but I'm concerned that I wouldn't want to use that, so I might have to wait a little longer for the congestion on the Solana network to reduce, where so that I could pay less than 0.05, probably 0.02. So since I say I have up to 39 days to go, perhaps the day I will do it, I might still record the video to show those who may be in the same shoes as mine. So what we have here is 72.6. So let's just agree so you can see that the reason it was not active before is you can see now that the fund is here now. After refreshing, this is what it's showing. You can see that it has removed the other one that I don't have enough in the native wallet. Okay, so here now you can see that network alert due to high congestion. Solana network fees are temporarily elevated. To complete your claim, please ensure you have at least 0.02 to 0.05 SOL for network fees, and that's quite high if you consider the price of SOL right now. Okay, so what I might even prefer doing is to allow my SOL to rise, but or alternatively swap my SOL right now to USDC and or ton or USDC, yes, and allow it be there. So when SOL reduces in price, I can swap it back, but I need to have some token to be able to pay gas fees inside of my um, Bitget wallet. So you can see now that I've checked the agree button there. I've checked the check mark point there. I agree to the terms of use and privacy. You can see that the button is now active for me to claim my token, but I don't want to claim it yet. Reason is that the fees are too high for me right now. I wouldn't want to pay over $12 just to claim $9. It doesn't make any business sense. So I'd rather keep my soul and wait for the number of days. Perhaps as the days approach, okay, if on the 9 days to go, the congestion should reduce. Any day I check and the congestion is low, I will quickly withdraw it. If I'm able to record it, then fine. If I am not able to record it. If I don't know how to record it, shouldn't hold me. Um, you shouldn't charge me, all right, take me to court, all right, in the sense that I'll show you how you can go ahead and lay claim to your airdrop. So you can claim it right now. If you want to pay this fees, go ahead and pay it. Of course, claiming to CX off chain is no longer available. That's for zero gas fees. Had it been they allowed it to go to for us to make this off chain claim to any exchange at all that we wanted, it would have been easier for us. So go ahead and give the video a like, comment. Let me know if you'd like to withdraw even with the high fees currently. And also, where do you think that NC token will get to? Will it perform as grass? Already, it's not doing as grass because it's not performing as grass already because grass from day one began to go up. Okay, so will it perform as grass ultimately? Will it rise as the bull run resumes? Will it rise? Will it get to $1? Will it get to $2? Will it get to $3? Well, should it get there, then we are in for good fortune. Okay, so but of course, 72 is really nothing but keep on farming because you just need to keep your nodes on, and so that you keep on allowing it to use your redundant or your redundant data bandwidth to be able to farm and train AI so that you can get more value. Remember, I didn't put a dime here apart from the system using my unused internet bandwidth to really generate this analysis of airdrop. Go ahead, give it a like once again, comment, share, subscribe, and let's see you in the next. Thank you, and God bless you.